Patio doors are a valuable feature in any home, creating access to outdoor spaces while bringing in natural light. But what if your home has limited exterior wall space? Smaller patios, compact floor plans, or architectural constraints can make door selection more challenging. The good news is that with the right design choices, homeowners in Eagle can enjoy the benefits of patio doors without sacrificing functionality or comfort. Understanding the challenge of limited wall space, not every home has wide exterior walls that accommodate expansive door systems. Some Eagle homes feature narrow layouts, adjacent windows, or interior furniture arrangements that limit available space. When wall space is tight, selecting a patio door that maximizes functionality without overwhelming the area is essential. The goal is to enhance access and light while maintaining efficient use of space. Sliding patio doors. A smart space-saving solution. Sliding patio doors are often the top choice for homes with limited wall space. Because they glide horizontally along a track, they do not require clearance to swing inward or outward. For Eagle homeowners, sliding doors preserve valuable interior and exterior space. Furniture can be placed nearby without interfering with door operation, making them ideal for compact layouts. Narrow frame designs for maximum glass. When wall space is limited, maximizing natural light becomes even more important. Patio doors with slim frames allow more glass surface area without increasing the overall footprint. In Eagle homes, this creates a bright and open feel, even in smaller spaces. Considering single-panel options in tighter areas, a single sliding panel paired with a fixed glass panel can provide both access and natural light without requiring additional wall width. Eagle homeowners benefit from this configuration when full double-door systems are not practical. It offers functionality while respecting structural constraints. Optimizing door placement. Strategic placement can make a significant difference. Even within limited wall space, careful positioning can enhance usability. For Eagle residences, aligning patio doors with interior walkways or open floor areas improves flow and accessibility without crowding adjacent walls. Balancing indoor and outdoor traffic flow. Limited wall space often means limited clearance on the patio as well. Sliding patio doors in Eagle homes allow for smooth entry and exit without disrupting outdoor seating or landscaping. This balance helps maintain an organized and functional exterior space. Maintaining energy efficiency. Compact installations should not compromise performance. Modern patio doors designed for energy efficiency help Eagle homeowners maintain comfortable indoor temperatures, even in smaller openings. Proper installation ensures tight sealing and consistent performance. Supporting interior design flexibility. When space is limited, every inch counts. Swinging doors can restrict furniture placement, but sliding doors offer more flexibility. Eagle homeowners can design their interiors with confidence, knowing that sliding patio doors will not interfere with room layout. Enhancing the sense of openness. Even with limited wall space, patio doors can make a home feel more expansive. By incorporating glass panels that invite natural light, Eagle homes appear larger and more connected to outdoor surroundings, improving the overall living experience. A thoughtful choice for compact layouts. Choosing the right patio door for a home with limited exterior wall space requires thoughtful planning and professional guidance. For homeowners in Eagle, sliding patio doors and streamlined designs offer practical solutions that preserve space while enhancing light and accessibility. With proper selection and installation, even compact areas can enjoy the beauty and functionality of patio doors, proving that limited wall space does not mean limited possibilities.